Hi everyone and welcome to Drive, your source for automotive reviews, analysis, maintenance, and restorations. Please subscribe to our channel, watch the entire video, and of course, click on notifications to be first to learn about new videos. I'm Chris Capredoni, and in this how-to video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install Angel Eyes in a BMW headlight assembly. The original headlight unit was damaged beyond repair, but the Angel Eyes contained in it survived. The process I'm going to discuss today is to take a new headlight unit, in this case, a used one from a local auto recycler, and transfer the already working Angel Eyes into this replacement unit. If the Angel Eyes were not functioning, my options would be to either replace the Angel Eyes with new ones, or if that was not possible, to replace the entire Angel Eye system. Let's get started. Hi everyone. For this 3 Series BMW that sustained an accident right in about this spot here, it damaged the front bumper, which I'm repairing. I had to replace the fender. This was destroyed, as well as the front headlight assembly was destroyed. But the original one that was here had the Angel Eyes, which are now still situated behind. The Angel Eye system still works for the entire vehicle, but the dilemma I'm facing right now is, how do I get the 2 working Angel Eyes in here? So that's what this video is about. I'm going to show you how to get them from there to in there. So if you ever have an accident or your headlight assembly needs to be replaced, you can still salvage the Angel Eyes and reinstall them on a new one. So I'll get set up and we can get going. I pulled up all the wiring for the Angel Eyes. So I got both of them here. They're both different sizes. I think one is 131 millimeters and the other one's 143, if I'm not mistaken. And if you see over here, this here is the connector for the 2 Angel Eyes. You can see there's the connectors. So what I'm going to need to do is disconnect them, because I have to feed the wiring from this end here up through the top underneath and then back through to the back. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to remove this turn indicator assembly and then the weather stripping trim, and then I need to remove the plastic glass cover, which is removable with these clips here. So I'll get set up and continue forward. In order to remove the plastic lens that I need to do in order to gain access to the interior, I remove the turn indicator on the side. All you need is the Phillips head screwdriver, and then I remove the trim on the top. So there's 1, 2, 3, 5 clips that you just have to push down, depress, and it will detach and pull out. The next step will be to remove the plastic cover. Okay, just remove the plastic lens. Be very careful. There's a piece of weather stripping that goes the entire distance. Do not crack or damage it. This is also a good opportunity for me to wash this up. And then the next step is to remove this bezel so that I can gain access to the 2 light units. The next step is to remove this black plastic bezel. It comes in 2 colors, black, and it also comes in a color called titanium. In this case, it's black here. So the procedure is there are 3 clips, 2 near the turn indicator and 1 near the center of the vehicle. You depress them all in and then pull the bezel out. Now I'm working on installing the Angel Eye for the high beam. It's mocked up in place with the clip at the top, and I passed the wire through the top and in through the back. I pulled back the rubber housing so that I could pull the wire out, and I'll show a photo of that. On the front, I have it mocked up in place, and I put it very close to the lens. I'm going to also put 3 pieces of double-sided tape so that when I push it in, not just the clip will be holding it, but also it'll be secured with the tape. I've added the double-sided tape to the back of this Angel Eye, and I've just pushed it into place using the 2 clips that it came with and additional double-sided tape here, here, and here. So this one's done. I'm going to start working on this one, which the first step would be fishing the wire from the top part through to the back. So at this point, I've rewired them all in, connect them at the back. So I fed them through the top here and double-sided taped both of them, and I'm testing them now. They both work. So the next step now is to reassemble the light assembly by putting the black plastic bezel in place, then the cover, then the turn indicator. So I'll get to that. So everything's been reassembled and tested. Angel lights work great now in the new replacement headlight assembly. I've also included my new bottom trim made out of mesh instead of that plastic trim that 3 Series come with. I have another video on this if you want to watch how to manufacture one and install it. I think it adds a nice aggressive tone to the vehicle. Next step will be to reinstall the bumper cover and attach it to the fender, and the front should be ready for wrapping. Thanks everyone for watching this informative tutorial on how to reinstall Angel Eyes in your BMW 3 Series if the headlight unit is damaged and needs to be replaced. In many cases, the entire Angel Eye system will not need to be removed and a new one installed in its place, saving you hours of labor and money. The entire process only requires a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the side turn indicator in order to gain access to the headlight unit's weather stripping and clear plastic lens. If you ever just need to replace the clear plastic lens, this tutorial shows you how to remove and replace it with minimal effort. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and select the notification option. Drive, your source for automotive reviews, analysis, maintenance, and restorations.